Hi, in this video we are going to continue the web design case study to design a website for First Presbyterian Church of Singapore, Tennessee. And in this video we are going to look at how we are going to produce the web user interface design sketches and the color palette. This is a list of suggestions how you should use this video. So the references of this video can be found on this web page, which is already open here. So we have done our visual research. The client chose a template, and we talked to our client. We came out with the site structure, which can be found here. And I store all the files we have been working with in C10 Web Design. So let's say the client chose something similar to this one, say, hey, this one is really cool, I like it. So of course you're going to make a lot of changes following the site structure. So the first thing is you are going to do some sketches, okay, on paper. You can download the template for the sketches on following this URL, paper browser. So click on, so you come up, arrive at this website, you click on download templates. You can download a 2-panel with notes template. Print this on a piece of paper and then sketch on it. You can, some people like to use this 1 panel with notes, which is perfectly fine. It's much bigger. Okay, so this one is fine too. And the end result is a sketch that can be downloaded from here. It looks like this. You can always right click and save as to save into your C drive. And later we're going to produce a color palette that looks like this. You can always right click and save link as, save this to your C drive. And I already have my files in my C10 Web Design. So let's look at my sketches. So of course you need to spend some time to sketch this out. This is my first draft, and this is my second draft. So the first draft looks like this. You know your title of the page is here. The navigation bar is here. You have an image banner. Maybe put a human's face with pretty eyes or something, and then your images. The images are for your shortcuts, so your shortcuts can be found here. So your adult link is here, youth link is here, children is here, so on and so forth. And because you want to show that the church is friendly, so you are going to use images of real humans, members of the church. And then you have your welcome message, latest news, and navigation. Another navigation bar below, just in case some of the sub pages are too long. Okay, and then you have your copyright message. So the first draft is good. You feel happy about it, so you can proceed on to the second draft. And so you can draw something in slightly more detail. So you have your title, you have your navigation, your menu bar, image links, content, and another navigation bar below. You have your copyright message. So now you can, because I'm doing a fixed width design, very basic design, so I can actually write down the number of pixels I want for the page. So this is 80, 140, 15, 80, 15, 15, and then you can count from the bottom. This is 50 and then 15. So that's on the left side. Of course, I'm designing this for 980 × 700 screen resolution. You need, although the screen resolution should be more, but because the browser also takes up space, so you normally design for something that is slightly smaller. So this is pretty fine for most fixed width designs. So you count from the top. This will be 80. 80 plus 140 will give you 220. Plus 15 will give you 230, so on and so forth. So you have all the readings: 315, 330, 345, 635, 650, and finally the height is 700. the width is 980. So you have finished your sketches, so probably you should show your client. So you should show your design to your client. Okay, show your client the design, probably they will like it, and then you need to also show them the color scheme so they know what color the website will have. I have my color palette already. I have my color palette here. You can also download it from here. Okay. So let me open this one up in Fireworks. I personally like to create my color palette in Fireworks because later when I do my design prototype in Fireworks, I can switch it pretty easily. So what I did was I actually used my grid. I use a 50 times 25 pixels grid, and I'll show them. So as you can see, I will draw rectangles around them. Okay, rectangles, and then I'll put the color for each rectangle. So that will create a color palette, and because the website is going to be black, pretty much black in main color, so I'm following a very monochromatic scheme. So a lot of different shades of black, or different tints of black, with some contrasting colors for text. Okay, so a very, very simple color palette is going to be used for this website. I will depend a lot on the banner and on the images here to add colors to the page, or else the page will be pretty black. But because I'm using a lot of images, so I think it will be fine. So I finished the sketches for the website, and I produced a color palette. So the next step will be to collect images. We are going to talk about that in the next video. Thank you for watching.